Hey guys, it's Caitlin. Today we are making easy and delicious 3-ingredient homemade garlic bread. Before we get started, you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna get started. As you can see, we have very little ingredients today. They're all fresh, and this is all we need to make a delicious golden garlic bread. We've got our 2 baguettes here. You could use really whatever kind of bread you have. These are actually gluten-free, so if you're gluten-free like me, you can enjoy this treat too. We also have a 1/2 cup of melted butter. You could also use oil if you want, or if you're dairy-free like me, you can use vegan butter. We've also got some fresh chopped parsley. I love to use Italian or flat leaf parsley. And a little tip, if you want to keep your herbs fresh in the fridge, you can put them in a glass container like this with a little water, keeps them hydrated and fresh. We've also got some fresh minced garlic. I've got 2 tablespoons. If your baguettes are bigger than mine, you want to increase your garlic a little bit. This is really the star of the show, so you want to make sure you use fresh garlic. I'm telling you, this recipe is so easy. We're just mixing this together. So now we're gonna grab a bread knife and we are going to slice our baguettes long ways. And now we're gonna do the same thing with the second one. Now we're gonna grab a little brush like this. This is a fun time to get the kids involved or anyone who wants to help out in the kitchen. And we are going to paint the open-faced baguette with our garlic and butter mixture. That just looks so good. I can't wait to taste this. And you wanna make sure you give a nice thick coating. Don't leave any dry areas. Using fresh garlic is so good for you. Fresh garlic has antibacterial properties. It also regulates your blood pressure. Parsley is also packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. So when you cook from home and you use fresh ingredients, you're doing yourself, your body, and your family a favor. You're making everybody healthier and happier, and that is exactly what I want because I love you guys and I want the best for you. These look delicious. Now we're gonna pop them in the oven and bake them at 350 for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do to get that golden color. These just came out of the oven and they look great, but we're not done yet. We want to get them that nice crispy golden edge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our oven to broil, and we're gonna broil them on high for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. What broiling does is it uses direct radiant heat, so there are coils on the top of the oven, and they're going to toast the top of the bread. We're gonna put them on that top rack, get them nice and toasted. So let's go! Now look at this beautiful color. See what a difference it made? Now this is something that I like to do afterwards. It's optional. I like to just brush them with 1 little extra coat of butter, just to rehydrate the bread and give them that extra buttery taste. Just a little bit goes a long way. And for the last step, we're gonna grab our bread knife and we're going to cut 1 to 2 inch size slices. They smell so good. I can't wait to try some. And there you go. I hope you enjoy this easy and delicious recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below. Check out more videos here and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.